Good.
Oh. So,
Last week we have discussed about reference and out in some method. I remember reference is talking about change the main method's variable or value of a variable. And out is same as reference, but no need to declare the initial value.
Yes.
Okay. We have finished challenge question, challenge 4, question 6. Okay, let's start from question 7. Why don't you mind share your screen?
Oh, just a moment. I need to restart the console first.
Thank you.
I like to I want to find the last time what I stopped. Okay, just a moment. Okay, I open the Visual Studio. Give me some time.
question 7 this time, right?
You see my screen here. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I write a mark here. We stopped last time here.
Nice. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, so we do number 7 here.
Quadratic equation.
Maybe some
typing
error.
See it like that.
Okay.
5 variables, 5 double arguments.
Okay.
3 is ABC, and then last 2, I think, is the difference, right?
Solution. Okay. So, okay, what will be the method name?
Quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation. So we take 5 variables.
Yeah.
A,
B,
C, and then
ans 1, ans 2.
Yeah.
Sure, something like that.
Yeah. So here, I think we can see more. Okay. First of all, we need to calculate. Okay.
X1.
Okay. I think we need to calculate the square root of b squared minus 4ac first, right?
Oh, the definition, is it reference or out? Are you going to use out or reference?
I think out.
Sure.
Out is better. I don't. Okay.
Do you still need to define?
I think I'm going to define variable to receive the value of square root. It doesn't matter, I think. Yeah. First one is negative b plus math dot square root of math dot power b to b square minus 4 times a times c, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me see the brackets. Is it right? The brackets?
The bracket, bracket. Oh, this bracket?
Sure.
Minus divided by 2 times a. This is x1.
Yep.
Oh, I enlarge it so everyone can see. X2 is
just copy
it and change it to minus. That's all. So let's see if it works.
You call it, right?
Yeah. That's 1, that's 2. We call the quadratic equation, 12, 1, and then what is the negative 6? So, yeah. So it's correct.
Out.
I do something wrong here. Okay.
$.
Yes. Let's try. It should be 0.00667, correct?
Yeah.
And it's negative 0.75. Yes, that's correct.
Yay.
Yes, we solve it. To make it better, we use F3. Let's try again. We have plenty of time. Yes, done. Excellent. So.
Excellent. Why?
Hmm?
Why excellent?
Excellent. Yeah. Good answer.
Good job.
Okay, let's see the other one. Any comments on question number 7?
I like it. When you open challenge yourself 5, type is more difficult methods.
Okay, number 7 is done. So we are done. Okay, we are done here. So I think we have done a reference and out. It's a very interesting topic here. So I have to log into my Centennial to get challenge number 5. Yeah, challenge number 5 here. And I download it. No need to download it. Oh, difficult method. Okay, maybe I close this one and open a new one called challenge 5. Save. I open a new one, just a method, just a moment. And create new project. And then C# here. Challenge for 5. Create. Okay, let's see what we are going to do in first. We do not need to create one. The solution provides. What does it mean? Why method with header static void display away? So we copy it first. So it is a method which
First
intake numbers. There's no return value. Okay, this method displays all the elements of the argument on a single line. Each item will occupy 3 columns. What does it mean?
What does it mean? This method displays all the elements of the argument on a single line. Each item.
Yes.
What is an item? Will occupy 3.
Each item will occupy 3 columns. Does it mean that we have to, for example, if we have a array like 1, 2, and then we have to display 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2?
I don't think so, because you need to put everything in a single line, right?
Yeah. So the single line will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2.
Doesn't make sense.
Each item will occupy 3 columns. What does it mean by 3 columns?
Can we ignore the last sentence?
Okay, let's try. So it will display it. Display like okay. Let's try. Can I convert this to numbers? It's not now here. Can't do this. We do string. No. Let's see. Let's try something.
Let me. Oh.
Let's see if we can do this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Expected.
Okay. Okay. We can maybe use this string dot John.
Expect.
Let's try string dot John. John. Numbers. Let's see. We have a new integer array of maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if it works.
Oh, okay. Let me see if.
Yeah, here, done.
Okay, I think it means you put 3 space. Like when you print it.
Okay, 3 space.
That's 3 columns, I think.
Okay, then I join it by 2 columns. Is it like that?
Yeah, like further apart. I think that's all it means.
Yeah, that's the answer for 1. Yeah, the string dot John method is a method we can use to break down the array in a string. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. It is break down in the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first parameter is what separate them. So if I type 2 space here, then it will be separated by 2 space. If I type comma here, it will be separated by commas. So if we want 3 columns, then 2 space. 1 number, 2 space, and then 3 columns, and then
It's that's just the formatting, right?
yeah, just the kind of formatting. Yeah.
What does it mean by join?
Join means for an array, it is actually an element of a several element. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Join means that you break it down
To 1.
and to 1 and then return a string.
And then you do the formatting within that. Okay.
Yeah. This is the format here. So if I put here 2 space, that will be 1 double space, 2 double space, 3 double space, 4 double space. So you can put whatever you want. We can try something like this. The add sign here. So it will be 1 at 2 at 3 at 4 at 5. Yeah, that's what I intended to do.
Next
Is
one
it okay?
Sure. I think if I do it, I'm gonna use a 4. I'm not gonna use this.
So maybe we try the 4. We have plenty of time. For each integer x in numbers. Okay. And then because it's single line, we write something like X. I think we can obtain the same result. Yeah, same result here. Yes, it's easy, more easy to read.
It's just that I don't know the string.John and I don't want to remember.
Yeah. Yes. We have string.John, we have string.speed. We have other function called string.speed. No speed. Yeah, we have something like this. What we have here.
So after you join it and split it, and that's
Yeah,
what
yeah.
Okay.
We have something
Chart?
like string away, maybe. Then you have maybe a sentences. Hello world. So we separate it by spacing. Is it work? Not working? What does it mean? Oh, I don't understand. So forget it. Not the same as JavaScript. I forget. So we can use for here, for each here. For each is a kind of loop. It is better if we are using array, we can use for each because it will start from the first and then till the beginning, from the beginning to the last one.
Oh, so you don't need to go like
Yeah.
less than a thing. Okay.
So if we use for, we have to use something like this.
I think I can correct some of my
Integer I equals 0. I smaller than number dot length.
Yeah, because I'm doing this like
Yeah.
I use the length.
They are the same. Doesn't matter which one you use. It's a great answer.
Okay.
Yeah. I think for each is even an older concept because in some of the new language they don't have for each because they are same as for. Yeah, for each is a very old one. We can use while loop as well. While integer x equals to while x is still smaller than numbers dot length. Where x plus. Yeah, it's the same. So we can do we can do while as well. So, but I don't want to do it. Type too much.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Yeah, it's a long question.
Yeah, it's a long question, but the solution is quite simple. We have to clearly understand what it wants.
Your method.
Okay.
Header. So we copy the header first. The first argument is an integer.
Okay. Copy the header first. Just a moment.
Yeah. And then.
Okay.
First is the size of the array, and then second is the largest item in the array.
Okay.
The return value is an array of integers. That means it's declare initialize and type. or random. Okay.
Okay. So okay. Second number is an integer representing the largest item in the array. The return value is an array of integer. This method does the following: declare a variable of type random. Okay. First of all, we try this. Random
Generator.
what is the name? Generator.
Yeah, equals new random. Declare
Is it only me? Can you see when I do alternate type, you say a PP? Oh, I see. Here. Okay. Okay. Oh, I think I have illusion. I always see something green on my screen when I do alternate tab. Yeah. Okay. Then declare an array of type in. You may call it result. Okay. It's step by step. Okay. Then what's next?
allocate storage for the correct number of items.
Okay, that means that we have integer array.
Yeah.
Result array.
Right. Yeah.
Equal new integer, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
And then what is the
your favorite looping statement?
Okay.
The random integer to each element.
Okay.
You need to copy it. Result I equals to generator next largest value.
Okay. Okay.
Use your favorite for each.
For each.
Can you do that, or because the
no, because there's no the array is empty here. We can't use for each.
But have you defined the size of the array?
Yeah, but it is empty. So there's no value inside. So if I use this one, it won't work. We can try. Try. Let's see. Oh, I didn't call it. Sorry. Number of item 3, maximum 3. Try. Let's try. It shows some J here. 0, 0, 0. Oh, you're correct. We can do it. You can use it. But the problem is
you need just put it in random. Sign
it's just the number. We don't have the index.
No.
We have to assign it.
If you go back the question, the last line, D. I think is that result I equals generator next. That is what you're generating, and then you can put it into the array.
Yeah, but I think we can not use for each to do that because for each is using to loop the result.
Sure.
Yeah, so we can use maybe for loop here for integer I equals 0, I smaller than numbers of item, and then I plus, and then result array. Correct. Then we return the result array. Is it something? Okay. Maybe I'm wrong here. It should be something like that. Yeah. That is. Let's see. Let's see. what I'm trying to do is just trying to output the result. Yeah, so we have a array of item 3 number and the maximum value is 3. So the array should 3 element from 1 to 3, I think. Let's try. Yeah, 2 to 0, 0 to 3, 2 to 0. Let's try again. 0 to 2. Try again. 1, 1, 1. Yeah, that makes the array. Any comment on this one? Any comment on the below foot number 2?
It's good.
It's good. Excellent. See all good answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there is a requirement here. We have to do it. Okay, we missed something. Okay. We have to 15, 10, 25, 10, 30, 100. Okay. And call it. Okay. It's the method inside a method.
So you do 2 methods.
Yes, we have to do method inside method. What's wrong with that? Okay, we don't need that. Okay, what is the first one is argument of okay, 15 and 10. 15 and the next one?
10 and 25.
10, 25.
And then 30, 100.
30, 100. Yeah, type your answer in the chat box.
The first one, the second one is 25 and 10.
Okay, 25.
Yeah, swap it.
Okay, done here. Let's try. What? Oh, we missed something. Yeah, that should be fine. Yes, we can see here. Yeah, approximately correct. And 25. Oh, yeah, that's correct. Yes, that's correct. That's good. We are doing very good. Any comment on this one? Anything you have something problem here? No, we go to the other one. So the next one will be write a method with header. I've copied this. Okay. And something? Okay, the argument is an integer array.
Yeah, return value is an array of 2 integers.
Okay, the element of the return array will be a count of the number and even number in the argument. Okay.
So we input a array of integer and then I think it returns how many are odds and how many evens. Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Call this to create an integer array.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you use the previous method
Right.
question 2.
Okay, we can use this one.
Yeah, you need to call the method in question 2 to create an array and then use the array
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And display the array, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So here.
And
so
then
first of all, we have to first find the. We have to define an array here.
Input array.
Store array. Two, because the array will be only two. The first one is how many even, right? How many odd, and the second one is how many even.
Yeah.
So yeah, here. J is 2. See the element in array. If it is divisible by 2, then event gaga plus plus. Else odd plus plus. Yeah, something like that. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Yeah, because we have a input array here. We look through the array, and then for each item we determine it. If it is divisible by 2, then we add 1 to even. If it is not divisible by 2, then it must be odd. We add 1 to odd. And then finally, 0, which is the here. Finally, we assign the first 0. What? Yeah. So yeah, 0 is even. Yeah, because 0 is divisible by 2. Yeah. So method will create a 2 element. Okay. Okay. So what are we going to do is first of all use this method and call this one. Yes, and then what is the whatever? Maybe I use 1510, and then we need to display the array. So something like that. Yeah, this one is going to count even and odd, and then we generate the array we created above here by using the method generate random array, and use this array result put into count even odd, and then this even odd will return an array result, and then use the first questions method display integer array here to display the result. So is it the question what want us to do that? Is it what the question asks us to do that? Yeah, we can see here in your main method, call this generate random integer array method to create an array using and assign it to suitable variable. And then using the display integer array method, display all the item on the return. Call the count even odd method passing the above array as an argument and display the return the value. That means that we have to use the generate random integer array method to create a random array, and then put this random array into the count even odd method to create another array which only contains even and odd, and then display this array by using the display integer array method. Maybe I can maybe we to make it more clear, then we can do it. Yeah. Something like that. create an integer array, and then do something like it will be more easy to read. Is it better?
Yes.
Yeah, first of all, we generate a random array here, and then use this array. This array may contain 15 numbers. This 15 numbers is all whole number or natural number. Whole number from 0 to 10, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and then from 0 to 9 it has even or odd, and then we put this array into count even odd function method. So it will create an array to count how many even and how many odd number in this integer array, and return an odd even array which has only two values, odd and even, and then we display it by using the first method. Yeah.
I think the question is the last step and the second last step is flipped. So you generate the array first, and then you display the array, and then you use the count even odd function.
Something like this. Can't take this one.
So basically, you need to do it step by step. That's what they ask you to do. So first of all, you generate the array.
Okay. And then display this.
And then you do the even and odd counts, and then display.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try. What's wrong here? Okay, let's try. So we have an array of 15.
Yeah.
Let's count how many odd here. 1 odd, 2 odd, 3 odd, 4 odd, 5 odd, 6 odd, 7 odd. So 7 odd.
Yeah.
7 odd, and then 8 even. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, everyone good about this one?
Cool.
Or 0 also count to even.
Even. Yes, because 0 is divisible by 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think this is more easy to understand because previously you call the method and then inside the method with another method. It's more difficult for me to read.
Yeah, I think it's very difficult to read as well. Maybe next time we do it like this, it will be easy. So shall we continue, or you want to add something on this one, or you want to discuss something on this one?
Looks good.
Good. Okay, excellent. Okay, let's just copy the header first.
We have 14 questions.
We have 14 questions. Oh, too many. I think we can only finish maybe 6 to 7 today.
We need to save it though, because it looks like, it accumulates. Anyways, number 4, right? We are number 4.
Yeah. I hate red. Yeah, that will be green.
Right method with that.
Okay, the argument is an integer array. Oh,
it's ranging. Okay, the return array of 10. Okay, the elements of a return will be count. What? The elements of the return will be a count of a frequency of the item. Okay.
Okay, so the return value is an array of 10 integers. So we first of all declare the integer first, step by step. Oh, forget this one.
So we need to count 9.
Okay, I think from the pattern, I think I will need to use this one. Yeah, so just carry on. The element return array will be a count of frequency of the item in the argument. The first element of the return array represent the number of zeros. Okay, that makes sense.
You main method create an array using generate random. So again, you need to call the generate random and then display the above method. Display the return value to count to verify it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so okay. First of all, we implement the logic.
Yeah.
We use the for loop here. Copy this one. Yes. So here. So if it is 0, the first element will increase 1, right?
So we need to do it 9 times.
I
think there's better.
Maybe you can we'll switch.
Sounds better. At least
6, 0, right?
Yeah.
It's 0 is
count 0 plus. So you need to define 9 variables.
No, we don't need to, because when we initialize this one, the first element is 0.
What is that?
Maybe I do it first of all. I do something here. Yes, we have done this before. Let's try. You can see here we initialize the result array here to be an array of 10, right? Let's see what is inside the result array. Yes, it's all 0. Yeah, it's all 0. You can see. Let's use some dirty thing here. Let's see. Yes, let's see. Oh no, sorry. I want to show what is inside the result array. So here, let's call it. Sorry, something more. Whatever. So we here we declare array of size 10. So it will have a 10 number. So let's see what inside this 10 number. I am looping this initialized array to see what is inside the array we just created. You see all 0 here, right? You can see it's all 0.
Yes.
So according to the question, the first element will be the number of 0. So whenever I use the switch case, I encounter 0, I increase the number of the first element by 1. And whenever it's 1, I increase the second number by 1. Whenever it's 3, whenever it's 2, I increase the third number by 1. So you see how it works here. Yeah. The result array is 10. Yes, the result array is 10. Which when we let me demonstrate. Yeah. The first number is 10. Because here we have to generate an array with only 0 to 9, so we don't have 10 ranging from 0 to 9. I just, this is just something I make nonsense. Yeah, something like this. So the array input will be any size, but the number is from 0 to 9. Yeah. Do you understand the logic here, or I need to explain it again? Maybe I explain it again, because first of all, we declare a result array here of size 10. So the initial value of the array here will be, I type so array. The result will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Something like that. And the first argument, first element will represent number of 0, and the second will be number of 1, and the third number of 2, so on, so on, so on, so on. So imagine if we receive an array here, the array is of maybe only 2. The first one is 0, and the second one is 9. Okay, here. By using this loop, we loop the array. So the first number will be 1, 0, right? So the first number is 0, and then we use the result array corresponding to 0 is the 0 element, the first element. We increase it by 1. Then, yeah. Then here the result array will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah. And then the next one, 9 here. And I didn't finish it because it's case 9 will be here. So it will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. You see what I'm trying to do here? Okay. We use. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay.
I thought that's what you're trying to do now, right?
Hmm?
That's what you're doing. You're creating a to store the count. That's what you're doing.
Yeah, that is going to that is required by the question. We have to use a way to store. Yeah.
What Lin was saying is actually what you are doing, but right?
I think he's talking about use some integer to store something. Something like that. So whatever is 0, and then we 0 plus plus. Is it something like that? And then at the end, I assign this result array 0 to be something like that.
Is that what you mean?
It's something you want.
No. I think he really means what you are. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try something. Oh, it's okay. We do it. We do it in this way. So we have see it?
No, don't do something like that. Do it.
So how can we do it?
You already done it, right? That's what you're doing, actually.
Yeah. But it is very difficult to understand.
And that's the count. And
here the count.
Yeah, and what you're trying to do is you go through the array. Like I got the first number of the array, see which one it hit, and then I add up the counter of the array. That's what you're trying to do, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that is trying to do here. Yeah.
I think that's a good way. So.
Yeah. Oh, I am. But I found that this one is very long. Let's finish it first. I want to show you something. It's quicker. No. How many times I need to type?
It's shorter than what you were trying to do, but
Yeah, I'm trying to do something. Yeah, but there is a quicker way to do that. I just think.
I think you can do another loop.
Hmm?
I think you can do another loop.
Do another loop?
Yeah, like you go through, like it's just an idea. Like you go through the random array. So let's say I recognize the first number is 3.
You see? Yes.
So you just you have, let's say, a temp. I have a temp variable equals to array random array 1. Say the number 3, and then you just add the count array of temp plus plus, and that's fine.
Oh, you mean
right? Like you use
actually
to store.
Do something like this. That is
exactly.
Yeah, that is the solution. Because I'm using this one is for easy understanding. Yes, I'm trying to show what I'm going to do because first of all we have an array to count the number of numbers we have, and the first element will be the number of 0. The second element will be the number of 1. The third element will be the number of 2, and then so on, so on. So whenever we have j here, j will be from 0 to 9. So it's either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, something like that, until 9. So initially, the result array is all 0. So if it is 0, then we have to find the corresponding index, which is 0 here, and then add it by 1. Just it can be expressed like this one. Yeah, this is the result here. Maybe we try to do it, implement it first and see if it is correct first, and then I will explain later. Okay, let's see. Return result away. Okay, let's we generate something. Then with 10, the maximum number is 10. We use this method to generate an array of 10 number. The maximum will be 9, 0 to 9. And then we put it inside this one. And then return and hang away. And then we display this over here. Let's see if it is correct. Okay, I didn't output this one. Sorry, I shouldn't. Yeah, we generate an array of 6, 5, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3, 3, 7, 6, 0. So so let's see from the first array, there is no 0. So the count array here, the number of 0 is 0 here. And then from the generate array, there's only 1 here. So the count of 1 is 1. And then from this array, the number of 2 is 2 here. It's just 1, 2. So the count of 2 is 1. let's see how many 3. 1 3 and 2 3. So the count of 3 is 2. And then 4, just 1 4, 5, 2 5, 6 1 6, 7 1 7, 8 1 8, 0 9. Yes, that is the expected result. Yeah. Maybe just have a look. I want to drink some water first. Just a moment.
What time is it now? Okay. Not too positive to start another one.
Yes.
The questions are long. So, Lun, did you say that this for each is not too famous, right? Or you just seldom use it? Easier. Yeah, much easier.
Which one? Which one is easier? Yeah. Yeah. For each is you can consider it looping something you have index. Yeah, array is something you have index, so you can use for each. Okay. So is it good for this one?
It's
Yeah.
difficult.
Yeah, but yeah, it's quite complicated.
Yeah.
You have to understand it. I mean, you have to understand the question first. What does it is trying to do? Yeah, complicated. Yeah, but the logic itself is very easy. Just 1, 2, 3. Just 2 lines, 3 lines. Yeah. Because we have to the result is a way of counting how many numbers for each numbers. Yeah. So I think the most difficult part is to understand the question, not actually typing the code, not typing the code.
Yes. If we have result in the question, it may be more easy to understand.
Yeah. And the sometimes I think the wording is quite confusing. Number. Second argument. So we have come to question 4 here, and in question 4 we sorry. So we have we write 1 method, 2 method, 3 method, and 4 method here. You can see here we can we have been using these 4 methods all the time. I think this question is this exercise is trying to make us familiar with a more complex environment, which means we have to reuse the method many times. So it's more like a reality. I mean, real life example. We have to reuse the method many times, other than just use it one time. So I think that's already enough for today. We are very tired.
Yeah, you can tell, right?
Yeah. I think we are done today. Okay, maybe we have wow, so many questions left. Let's see if we can finish it like next week. See you next week. Goodbye.
We can finish it.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.